Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best indoor putting mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ZCOREY Putting Green Indoor Golf Mat. If you're on a budget but still want a quality practice mat, this one might be for you. Priced at $39.99, it offers solid features such as a genuine green speed surface and a wrinkle-free design, making it a reliable option for casual golfers. The mat also includes a lenticular 3D backplate to prevent balls from escaping, alignment guides to help beginners straighten their club face, and distance markers to refine putting accuracy. Design-wise, the ZCOREY mat is compact and portable, measuring 9 feet long by 1 foot wide. The velvet fabric feels soft and smooth, ensuring consistent ball rolls. However, it uses plastic for its base, which might not feel as premium compared to mats with wooden bases. It also includes bunkers and water hazards for added challenge, which can double as fun game elements during gatherings. While this mat is great for beginners or those looking for a lightweight and affordable option, its durability may not match higher-end models. The ball return system is functional, but lacks the refinement seen in more expensive mats. Overall, for casual golfers looking to improve their precision without breaking the bank, the ZCOREY Putting Green Indoor Golf Mat delivers decent performance and value. Pros include affordability, compact design, and unique hazards, while cons include a less durable build and limited premium features. Coming in at number 4 is the Dacanus Putting Green Indoor Mat. Priced at $59.99, this mat offers excellent build quality and features that cater to golfers looking for a more premium experience. The standout feature here is the automatic ball return system, with a solid wood frame that adds a touch of elegance. The mat is designed with 2 holes, one measuring 2.5 inches and the other 3.5 inches, helping golfers practice with varying levels of difficulty. Its velvet surface ensures a smooth and wrinkle-free experience, while the included distance markings at 2, 4, 6, and 8 feet allow for precise training at multiple ranges. Assembly is straightforward, and the mat is foldable for compact storage, making it ideal for both home and office use. The magnetic return track is a clever addition, enabling seamless ball retrieval after each putt. While its premium price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, the Dacanus mat delivers a refined experience for intermediate to advanced golfers. Its solid wood construction and Baroque-style hand-polished frame make it visually appealing and durable. However, the mat's width might feel restrictive for those seeking a larger practice area. Pros include the premium design, automatic ball return system, and advanced trading features, while cons include its higher price and somewhat narrow dimensions. At number 3, we have the Yukon Putting Green Indoor Golf Mat, priced at $56.97. This mat is designed for golfers seeking a consistent and realistic putting experience. Its wrinkle-free velvet surface offers a smooth roll that mimics the feel of a real green. 2 practice holes, measuring 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches, allow golfers to work on accuracy and varying levels of difficulty. One of the highlights of this mat is its efficient ball return system. The wooden base includes a self-contained storage function, ensuring balls are automatically stored after entering the track. The magnetic solid wood track provides a sturdy and compact design, making this mat easy to fold and store. Its lightweight construction adds to its portability, so you can practice virtually anywhere. While the Yukon mat is a strong contender for golfers who value functionality and portability, its narrow width might not suit those seeking a larger practice area. Additionally, the price is slightly higher than similar options, but the build quality and user-friendly design justify the expense. Pros include the excellent ball return system, realistic surface, and compact design, while cons include the relatively narrow width and higher price point. At number 2, we have the Gimya golf putting mat, priced at $59.99. This mat is a superb choice for golfers looking for versatility and durability. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it features a crystal velvet surface that ensures consistent ball rolls and minimal noise. The auto ball return system is gravity-based, providing seamless ball retrieval and reducing downtime during practice. The mat includes 2 hole sizes, one measuring 3.2 inches and the other 2.5 inches, catering to golfers of all skill levels. Its solid wood base adds a premium touch, while the foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. The auxiliary distance lines are clear and precise, helping golfers improve accuracy and control over their putts. Ideal for serious golfers or those looking to improve their skills quickly, the Gimya mat delivers top-notch performance. While its price may seem steep, the build quality and advanced features make it worth the investment. Pros include the durable velvet surface, versatile use cases, and efficient ball return system, while cons include the higher price and slightly bulkier design compared to other mats. Finally, at number 1, we have the Par 3 Golf Putting Green by Putabout. Priced at an affordable $38.34, this mat stands out for its high-quality design and exceptional user experience. The kidney-shaped surface measures 3 by 9 feet, offering ample space for practice. 3 practice cup cutouts allow for varied training, while built-in sand trap cutouts catch missed shots, providing an engaging and realistic experience. Made from PET resin, the mat is durable and features a non-skid backing for stability during use. The smooth surface ensures consistent ball rolls, making it an excellent choice for golfers of all skill levels. The mat is lightweight and easy to store, with the shipping box doubling as storage when not in use. The Par 3 mat's combination of affordability, build quality, and performance makes it the best overall option on this list. While it lacks some advanced features like an automatic ball return system, its simplicity and reliability make it a favorite among golfers. Pros include its spacious design, durable construction, and budget-friendly price, while cons include the absence of premium features like ball return or distance markers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.